Among the options in the Effects tool, you will find the Fill function. Random lets you create a more chaotic pattern. Mark an object or a group of objects that you want to create the fill pattern from. Then click on the star button. The star button stores the selected graphics to be used as the fill pattern. You can here add more fill objects by selecting them and then press the Shift key and click the star button. The star button displays a plus sign indicating that you are adding new fill objects to the ones stored. You can add up to 10 different fill objects or groups. Then select the graphics that you wish to apply the fill to and adjust the settings. Edge sets the distance between the fill and the edge of the selected graphics. Count will be the amount of copies of the pattern object that will be filled in the shape object. If the amount cannot fit into the shape object, it will instead be filled with as many as possible. Scale range sets how much size can differ for the fill objects. 20 means that the size can vary from 20% up to 100% of the original size. 200 means that the fill objects can vary between the original size up to 200%. With angle range, you can set how much the objects in the pattern can be rotated. 45 means that the fill objects can be rotated anywhere from -45 degrees to +45 degrees, and entering 180 will allow all angles. You also have 3 additional options. Clip allows fill objects that normally would go outside the graphics, but they will now be cut at the graphics edge. Leaving it unchecked will only create pattern objects that are completely inside the shape. Overlap allows pattern objects to intersect with each other. Leaving it unchecked will only place pattern objects that do not touch each other. Optimize will attempt to fill the shape area with as many pattern objects as possible while using the entered values. This cannot be used when the overlap option is checked. Click Apply to see the resulting fill. If you aren't pleased with the look of the random fill, you can simply click the Apply button again and a new fill pattern will be created.